Get3D Viewer supports multiple formats and methods for opening models. This video introduces how to open model files in Get3D Viewer. Method 1. Drag and drop the file directly into the window. For example, select an OBJ file and drag it into the window. The model will load automatically. You can also drag multiple OBJ files at once. Similarly, drag a JSON file into the window to load it. Method 2. Click the Select File button in the center of the software. Select the model file. Click Open, and the model will load automatically. Method 3. In the File menu, select Open File. Select the model file. The model will load automatically. After browsing, click File menu and save the project as a DVP file. You can open the model directly from the project file.